Holy smokes, guys. Talk about a red day for the entire stock market, for Palantir stock, and pretty much every stock on my watch list except for a couple here, which I don't even know how they had green days today. But yeah, we're going to break down Palantir in this one, my thoughts, the charts, what I'm looking to do, and later in the video, we're going to break down the indexes, what went down with the overall market. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and guys, don't forget to get up to 20 stocks for a moo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfs.com/moo, and this offer is exclusive to this channel, guys, so get on it, and your uninvested cash for a limited time will earn up to 8.1% APY, which is an absolute no-brainer. So guys, stop waiting, get your money from moo, link down below. And with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So Palantir stock went down a lot today, guys. I mean a lot, almost 8% in the red, down over $2.20 per share, and we pretty much downtrended the entire day, like the entire stock market did, which we'll cover at the end of the video, guys, so make sure you all stick on throughout. So we opened up in the mid-28s today on PLTR, and we got down, let me see here, to about $26, I guess exactly $26.60 at close, and now after the bell, we're down another 30 cents. So we're down on top of the 7.5%, we're down another 1% after the bell. So we're down, what, almost 9% on the day. Freaking bloodbath for Palantir, guys. Probably the most red that we've seen on the stock or in the stock in months at this point, right? So yeah, this is actually pretty healthy. We'll cover that in this video, guys. I think this is pretty healthy heading into earnings, and it could be setting up for a big move after earnings. Let me explain, right? So we all know that PLTR has been going crazy, right? Maybe not so much in the last week or two, but heading into July, right? Middle of July, this stock was pretty much up and to the right. You guys all know that, right? If I pull up this 20-day chart, you can see exactly that. In the end of June, we were at $23.90, and we got all the way to almost $30 about a week ago. So we ran up a lot, 24%. In just about 2-3 weeks, right? And then we kind of chopped around a bit at around 27.50 to about 29.50. We were trading in that window for about a week, and now we're obviously dumping down. You guys can see if I pull up this channel tool, there we go. You can see we're clearly breaking the bottom of the channel, right? We're now trading at a multi-week low, about a 2-3 week low, and well, let's be honest, we're in free fall mode, a falling knife, at least here on the 1 hour chart. Now, if you pull up the 4 hour chart, it kind of tells a different story, right? If you guys look here, we're now still above the 180 moving average, well above that, right? Which we've held throughout this entire uptrend, or at least the breakout that we've seen since the end of May. And look, we've held it many times. We've pulled back, we held it, we bounced. We pulled back, we held it, we bounced. You guys see that play out time and time again. And, well, let's be honest, this stock ran up a lot. Like I said, up 30% from where it was, about a month ago, pretty much. And from around 2 months ago, it's up more than that. I think it got up almost, over 40%, almost 45% off the lows. So at some point, we were going to get a pullback like this. We got one back in the end of June from 26.50 down to 23.50, so a 12% drop there. So I bought that dip, full disclosure, and we just got another big one right now, about 12%, same percentage value that we dumped about a month ago, right? So this is very normal stock market activity, right? Nothing crazy happened with Palantir. It's not like, oh, they dropped this deal or they missed on earnings or this bad piece of news came out. This is all happening because of market activity, right? Because the NASDAQ, the S&P, the entire stock market selling off, Palantir's getting hit because of that. And I'm sure all of you guys know that, but if you think something bad happened with Palantir today, think again. Nothing bad happened with Palantir today. It's just selling off because of the entire stock market. And you guys know on the 5th of August, we're getting their earnings. Let me double check that. Let's see here. Yeah, 5th of August after the bell. So I'm actually happy we're selling down here. I'm actually happy that we're getting selling before earnings, because the last thing I wanted was for Palantir to be very overbought, frothy even, heading into earnings, and then we get maybe a miss on EPS or revenue, or maybe guidance isn't that strong, and then the stock would crater after that, right? So kind of now what we're seeing is it already cratered. It already dumped right now, today, heading into earnings. So potentially, guys, if earnings are good now, maybe they're very strong, guidance is strong, which we're hoping for. Now that it's already pulled down, this could be setting up for a massive rebound. Maybe it happens even before earnings, who knows? But I'm actually happy that this happened, right? Because again, we didn't want to be way overbought heading into earnings. Then we get a disappointing earnings, and then the stock drops 20%. That's not. Trust me, that is not what we want to see. So we got the healthy pullback before earnings. I'm loving it, right? And of course, the uptrend is still holding. We're above the 180 SMA. Like I said, we're looking good. And we'll see, man. Maybe we chop around in the mid-20s here. And didn't I say this a couple videos ago? I'm pretty sure a bunch of you guys were commenting it as well, that a pull down to the mid-20s was going to happen, whether it was before or after earnings, and it was very healthy. And we got it. It's here. Now we're at $26.30 after the bell. And I wouldn't be mad. I would actually like it. I'd welcome it if it consolidated here a little bit, kind of found a new base at about $25, $26, and then go from there. I wouldn't mind if that happened. And you guys can see on this 4-hour chart, $26 is a big resistance, right? From, February, from March, from early April, from May, right? You guys see all of these times where we got rejected at 26, right? And now we're looking to hold that point as support, which I feel like is going to happen. We're right here at the 180 moving average, right at $26. This could very well be a nice buy the dip opportunity. Now, did I buy the dip today? Not quite. I didn't do it yet because I've been buying like a freaking animal over the last month or two. So I'm not going to add any more quite yet. But if this thing does slip down even more, which is possible, I will be adding more. But yeah, I'm not mad at this pullback. It's very healthy heading into earnings. Like I said, this is awesome. So yeah, let's see how it plays out. I suspect we'll consolidate a bit. We'll chop around in the mid-20s and then start to make a move again to the upside. But it might not come until after earnings, potentially, right? Not every day is going to be a massive green day, guys. You have to realize that. I'm pretty sure you have realized that now, right? But yeah. That's what happened today, guys. VIX went up over 22%. Crazy volatility. The S&P 500 went down 2.3%. Now it's dumping down under the moving averages on the 4-hour chart. We're trading in this window between 536 to 543, right? So we're in this window on SPY, and triple Q is getting hit as well, down 3.6% on the day. Complete bloodbath. It looks like a Head and Shoulders is playing out on the 4-hour chart. Now triple Q's down over $40 per share from all-time highs, or around 8%. Talk about a bloodbath, guys. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to run the likes up and subscribe to the channel. Very important, guys. And check out the link down below if you guys want to get my top 3 stocks sent to your inbox every single Monday morning for free. Check out the link. Make sure to sign up for that, guys. And don't forget to get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit, and free stocks, free money, especially after a day like today. You can't beat it, man, especially when stocks are on a dip and you want to buy more stocks. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And again, don't forget to sign up for the email list. I'm sending my top 3 stocks every single Monday to your inbox. Do that. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers. Have a great one.